Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you want to learn how to patch up a hole in your lace wig, keep watching this video. Now you see me holding a men's wig, but it doesn't matter. You can follow these steps and use them for any wig, whether it be for you, your mama, your sister, your cousin, or your granddaddy. Only thing you need is a needle, clear thread, and a pair of scissors. I cut off about 10 to 12 inches of the thread, so when I fold it in half, the thread will be about 6 inches in length. Once you get the thread through the needle, you'll need to tie the ends of the thread in the knot. That way, once you put the needle through the lace, the knot will be secure. But you'll see that here, originally I only tied one knot, but I did go back and tie 2 knots. And the rest is pretty straightforward. Just keep watching. Cut off the excess thread. Using heat to melt the thread on the lace is optional. I only did it because I wanted to make sure that that particular area of the wig wouldn't be bulky on the person that the wig was for. I just wanted to make sure that it was flat, seamless, and didn't have a bulge to it. And there you have it. It looks really great. Nobody can even tell in person at all. Flip the wig over to the other side. You cannot tell at all. Now, if you just found my video helpful, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel.